Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best knot filler is probably one of the most innovative wood repair solutions I've come across. If you're tired of unsightly knots and imperfections ruining your woodworking projects, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of knot filler, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have for any serious woodworker or DIY enthusiast looking to achieve flawless results. Number 5. Aqua Coat Clear Wood Grain Filler Gel. This Aqua Coat Gel is specially formulated for deeper penetration. Its small particle size seals pores and grains, minimizing top coat absorption. This helps you achieve a smooth finish with fewer coats. If you're planning to paint, we recommend Aqua Coat White Cabinet Wood Grain Filler. It has higher solids for better visibility and adhesion, which makes it perform better when painting. This small particle size gel is perfect for filling the grain and sealing the pores of wood. You can use it before or after staining, or on raw wood to get a smooth finish on various wood types. This product is water-based, low VOC, and low odor, making it a healthier option for you and the environment. It's also fast-drying, easy to apply, and easy to clean up with water. Filling your wood grain before staining creates a beautiful smooth finish and minimizes top coat absorption. This product can also be mixed with water-soluble pigments or dyes for a personalized result. What we like. This clear wood grain filler is designed to give your projects a smooth, glass-like finish. It's water-based and eco-friendly, making it a great choice for your health and the environment. If you're looking to fill the grain on tabletops, cabinets, or any wood project, this product is perfect for achieving a professional, even finish. What people say. The product works as advertised. The color match is excellent. It is easy to use. Number 4. Minwax Walnut Color Matched Wood Filler 6 ounces. Introducing Minwax Color Matched Wood Filler. This is a high-quality, no-sand solution designed for defects in finished wood. It's the perfect choice for professional results. This durable wood filler is ready to use. It's ideal for repairing cracks, gouges, nail holes, and other imperfections on both indoor and outdoor wood surfaces. It makes the repair work easy. The filler looks and acts like real wood. You can sand, cut, drill, plane, stain, varnish, paint, or lacquer it. It fills flaws with color, and cleanup is easy, just wipe off the excess. Minwax Color Matched Wood Filler comes in several colors, including walnut. To apply, use a putty knife to spread a generous amount and fill the area. Press firmly to ensure it sets properly. Minwax is America's leading brand for wood finishing and care. Since 1904, we've been helping people with their wood projects. We offer a complete line of products to meet every wood finishing need. What we like. This wood filler offers a ready-to-use formula that's perfect for repairing cracks, gouges, and nail holes. Available in color-matched options, it blends seamlessly with your existing wood surfaces. If you have finished wood projects that need quick and easy repairs, this is the ideal product for you. What people say. The walnut is a pure brown, not reddish, and the soft texture is easy to work into an injured spot. It dries quickly, layers well, and receives stain well after drying. I tested this Minwax filler on multiple visible seams across my walnut-toned LVP flooring, and to my surprise, both the walnut and natural options blended extremely well. What makes this stand out is how it responds to light. Whether you're dealing with surface scratches or subtle gaps, it holds up under direct sunlight and close inspection. Number 3. Adhesive Guru CA Glue and Activator. This fast-setting CA glue with activator bonds to most surfaces. It provides exceptional bond strength and instant adhesion. Avoid using it on polyethylene materials and non-stick structures. This super glue and accelerator kit drastically reduces project bonding times. Its fast-curing formula delivers fast bonding on most surfaces within seconds. Just a few drops are enough to cover a square inch. Thanks to the specially formulated cyanoacrylate adhesive, this powerful bonding adhesive cures quickly. No nails or clamps are needed. It acts as a reliable super glue accelerator for complex precision bonding needs. The super glue activator spray bonds to similar materials. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The accelerant provides a clean, fine mist for controlled precision bonding, preventing mess during detail work. Adhesive Guru meets the highest industrial standards. This two-part adhesive system is perfect for various applications. It's also trusted for everyday household fixes, hobbies, and DIY projects. The CA Glue Accelerator extends working control. What we like. This CA glue with Activator provides instant bonding and a fast curing time, drastically reducing project bonding times. It's suitable for a wide range of materials, making it versatile for various applications. If you are working on DIY repairs, woodworking, or crafts, and need a strong, quick-drying adhesive, you should consider this. What people say. Excellent product. I use it on pens when turning on a lathe. It has a slightly thick body and a little longer open time. Ideal for doing multiple coats on pen turning. The glue is a very useful medium consistency but not as thick as gel. It moves well between parts without too much drip. The Activator sets the glue nearly instantly. The spout and top remain relatively clog-free, and when glue does accumulate, it is easy to remove without damaging the top. Other brands have tops that become sealed to the top and cannot be opened, which makes me have to damage the top and waste glue. With this top, I'm able to use most of the glue. Number 2. 3M Xtract 88764 Electric Random Orbital Sander. This electric random orbital sander is built with high-quality components, ensuring it can withstand long hours of use in the shop. It's designed for durability and reliability, making it a great choice for professionals. The sander features a powerful and precision-balanced motor, ensuring smooth operation. This design minimizes vibration and noise, providing a more comfortable and efficient sanding experience. It's smaller and lighter than traditional electric sanders, weighing only 3 pounds. The ergonomic design includes a composite cover with 3M gripping material, enhancing operator control and reducing vibration. For safety, the sander automatically switches to standby mode after 5 minutes of inactivity. This feature helps conserve energy and enhances safety in the workplace. When used with 3M Xtract net discs and dust extraction, the system removes up to 97% of sanding dust. This creates a cleaner and healthier work environment, improving both efficiency and safety. This product is designed for industrial and occupational use. It is not intended for consumer sale or use. What we like. This electric random orbital sander features an ergonomic design and a powerful motor for smoother running. It's also part of a dust extraction system, keeping your workspace clean. If you are a professional or a serious DIYer looking for a high-quality sander with excellent dust control, this is the right choice. What people say. The product worked as advertised. It is easy to use and provides excellent results. The color match is perfect. Number 1. Promise Epoxy 1-gallon Resin Kit. This epoxy resin kit features a simple 1-to-1 mixing ratio, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. It's a must-have for all your resin art and craft projects. Once fully cured, this resin is food-safe, ideal for kitchen tabletops and bar tops. It works well with wood and metal, ensuring a clear finish for your projects. This self-leveling epoxy resin eliminates uneven pores. It's perfect for bar tops and countertops, guaranteeing a smooth, glossy finish. Unleash your creativity with this resin's crystal clear, high-gloss finish. It adds a touch of elegance to your tabletops and crafts. Protect your art and decor from moisture with this water-resistant epoxy resin. Designed for daily use, it offers long-lasting protection, keeping your projects in pristine condition. Promise Epoxy brings over 40 years of experience, proudly made in the USA. The focus on quality and formula perfection sets it apart. What we like. This epoxy resin kit offers a crystal clear, self-leveling finish, perfect for tabletops and crafts. It's also food-safe when fully cured, making it ideal for kitchen projects. If you like creating beautiful, durable, and safe surfaces for your home or art projects, you should consider this. What people say. It is thick, very clear, and great to work with. Also gives a good length of time to work with before setup. From start of setup to the time of a drier surface, about 3 hours, is much faster than other brands, which is a good thing if working in an area with any bugs or dust. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.